In a growing and competitive real estate market like Frisco, Texas, homeowners are always looking for smart ways to increase property value. While kitchen remodels and bathroom upgrades often get the spotlight, one improvement that consistently delivers both aesthetic and financial returns is the installation of picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to frame outdoor views while flooding your home with natural light, and they can significantly enhance both your living experience and your home's resale appeal. Maximizing natural light. One of the most powerful ways picture windows increase property value is by transforming the atmosphere inside your home. Frisco enjoys abundant sunshine throughout the year, and picture windows allow homeowners to fully capitalize on it. Natural light makes spaces feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. Bright interiors are highly attractive to potential buyers because they create an immediate sense of comfort and openness. Homes filled with natural light often photograph better for listings, show better during tours, and leave lasting impressions. In a competitive housing market, that visual impact can translate into higher offers and faster sales. Creating a strong first impression curb appeal plays a major role in determining a home's value, and picture windows make a bold architectural statement. Their expansive glass panels add a modern, upscale appearance to both traditional and contemporary homes. From the street, large windows create a clean, elegant look that immediately signals quality and thoughtful design. Inside, picture windows act as a focal point. Whether they frame a landscape backyard, a pool area, or a scenic Texas sunset, they elevate the overall aesthetic of a room. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feel distinctive and visually impressive. Improving energy efficiency. Today's home buyers are increasingly focused on energy efficiency. Modern picture windows are designed with advanced glass technology, including double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer, keeping homes cooler during Frisco's hot summers and warmer during cooler months. Improved insulation means lower energy bills, which is a major selling point. When buyers know they can enjoy beautiful natural light without sacrificing comfort or efficiency, the perceived value of the home rises. Energy-efficient upgrades often provide strong returns on investment, especially in climates with significant seasonal temperature changes. Expanding the feeling of space. Square footage isn't the only factor that determines how spacious a home feels. Picture windows create visual expansion by connecting indoor spaces with the outdoors. By removing visual barriers and offering wide, unobstructed views, they make living rooms, dining areas, and even bedrooms feel larger than they are. In Frisco, where many homes feature attractive landscaping or well-designed outdoor living areas, picture windows help blur the line between inside and out. This seamless connection enhances the overall living experience, something buyers deeply value when comparing properties. Low maintenance and long-term appeal. Unlike windows that open and close, picture windows are fixed. This means fewer moving parts and less wear and tear over time. Homeowners appreciate their durability and low maintenance requirements, and buyers recognize the long-term reliability they offer. Additionally, high-quality picture windows resist air leaks and seal tightly against the elements, reducing the likelihood of drafts or moisture issues. These practical benefits contribute to the home's overall condition, another factor that influences property value during inspections and appraisals. Enhancing versatility in design. Picture windows are highly versatile and can be customized in various shapes and sizes to complement any architectural style. They can stand alone as dramatic feature windows or be combined with operable side windows for ventilation. This flexibility allows homeowners in Frisco to tailor the design to match their home's character while maximizing light and views. Well-designed window upgrades signal to buyers that the property has been thoughtfully improved. Even if potential buyers don't immediately recognize the technical details, they feel the impact of the upgrade, and that emotional connection often translates into higher perceived value. A smart investment for Frisco homeowners. Ultimately, picture windows offer a rare combination of beauty, functionality, and financial benefit. They enhance daily living with natural light and expansive views while simultaneously improving energy efficiency and curb appeal. In a desirable and fast-growing city like Frisco, where buyers have options, homes that stand out visually and functionally command stronger offers. For homeowners seeking a meaningful upgrade that boosts both enjoyment and resale potential, Picture Windows are more than just a design choice. They're a smart investment in long-term property value.